Well. Welcome once again to Ride Along 980 with me, Dennis. You already know who I am, I think. Unless you're new. And if you're new, you ought to hit the like button and subscribe button. It helps me out at least this much. Today I'm doing a little something different. I came to the great city the great city of Reading to do a little triple app action. I'm going to be doing Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Doordash. All right, so I'm gonna look at the promotions real fast. I doubt there's any quests or anything like that. So before I get started, I have to take all the precautions that come with starting up the Uber Eats app. Like, I'm wearing a mask. Look, here's proof. I don't have any symptoms. I disinfect, I wash my hands. So with that, I'm online with Uber Eats. Swing over to Grubhub and I am available. And right off the bat, $9.75 order from Uber Eats. I'm taking that one because I haven't done Uber Eats in a long time. Back up, I'm gonna turn off Grubhub, and I'm heading 4 miles away to, honestly, I didn't see what store it was. Starbucks, here we go. So today's goal is to just try to hammer out $100. I've done Dumpling this morning. I didn't get any footage of that, but I did make 22 bucks off of that, so there's a start. It should be no problem. There shouldn't be any issue making $78.
In a half mile, take right exit 675 toward Machelli Lane using the upcoming right lane.
I really got to shut that off. Anyways, so I made $22 today.
Using the right lane, take right exit.
So far, I should be able to make $78. I'm gonna try to stay up here as long as I can. 3 o'clock is about where I'm gonna call it quits if I'm actually making money. And like I said, I'm pretty sure I can do it no problem. I don't know, because yesterday I only made 20 bucks or so. DoorDash and Instacart were so dead. I just shut everything off and worked around the house all day. Another DoorDasher that I know stayed out for an hour without an order. So yeah, yesterday was a bust. Already a wrong address, so I gotta find out where to go. Hi there, this is your Uber driver, Dennis. That would be great. Thank you. Have a great day. So I have to ask, if you're ordering food, why wouldn't you have your phone handy just in case something goes wrong, in case they need to make a replacement? Or in this case, if I can't find you, do people just order food and then like throw their phone away and stuff like that? I don't get it. I'm gonna give them another minute and then I don't know. I've never had to do this with an Uber order. You can try contacting the customer. I did. Customer is expecting your arrival. Less than 8 minutes. That's a long time to wait, but I'm not really sure what else to do at this point. I got about 1 minute, 25 seconds left. This is a long 8 minutes. I don't know why it has to be 8 minutes. I think 5 minutes is more than enough. You know, if there are customers watching right now, please have your phone kind of near you or accessible if you're ordering any kind of food. Drivers aren't perfect. Or restaurants aren't perfect. Every now and then there's bound to be problems. Now I've wasted nearly 20 minutes for a $9 order. I'm not really holding my breath at this point, but I'm not about to drive away because I don't need anything looking bad against me in case this comes back to bite me in the butt. After this, I'm just gonna turn on Grubhub again and just keep on going. All right, let's get out of here. Looks like we got a order from Grubhub, $12. We'll take that. All right, we're just pulling in and the line isn't too bad, thank goodness. What the hell was that? Hi, I'm with Grubhub picking up for... Awesome, thank you. Thank you. You too. About a half mile out, sitting at the stoplight. Anytime now. From Grubhub. No thank you. I will be back. I do appreciate the positivity. Another Starbucks order for $6.83. I think I'm just gonna take it. Super easy. And just now I put it in offer on Roadie for a Home Depot order. Going to decline that. That was a $7 McDonald's order, but I want to see if I can get that Roadie one. And there's nothing in Instacart. I hate this new app. I hate that you have to wait just like you would with Uber. So I got Doordash, Instacart, Uber, and Grubhub going. Chicken Shack. $7 for 8 miles. Look at that. No. That Home Depot one just got accepted. So I'm logging off of that, ending Doordash, turning off Grubhub, turning off Uber, and I'm gonna do a Roadie order. Looks like I'm headed to Home Depot. All right, so according to the app, it looks like I have to go to the customer service desk to pick up whatever I'm picking up. All right, so that wasn't too bad. Oh, I gotta get a picture real fast. That's all picked up. And now I just need to navigate. Alrighty. And complete. Alrighty. Got a Uber order. Okay. I don't like delivering to hospitals, but I do really appreciate it when they make it easy and come outside and meet. All right, signed back on to Uber and Grubhub. $7 all day from Doordash. Taquitos, taqueria, los gordos, gordos. Can't roll my R's when I say that. That one right there is a no-no. No, shit. So I accidentally accepted an Instacart order for 11 bucks, but it's like one item and a couple miles away. So I think I'm just gonna run through it and get it done. Now that I think about it, I've done literally every app on my phone except for point pickup. Run inside, grab one thing, and then go deliver it. So it should be a piece of cake. Cannot forget the card. Off is some Infamil. So I hope this doesn't bite me in the butt. However, I think I'm gonna try a Walmart order just because it's $9.75. So I have to go to Walmart. Fingers crossed it's not gonna bite me in the butt. Well, that was a lot quicker than I thought. Already took that off. Going 2.9 miles north. Pickup is only 20 items. Hi. Easy peasy. So a funny thing happened. I kind of realized that when I was editing my most recent video, I didn't do any sort of wrap up or debriefing or anything, whatever you want to call it. That was a really rough day. I worked 6 hours that day and only made $106. A good thing that did come out of it was that I ran every single app on my phone, which is a first for me. Make what I wanted to, but I thought that was pretty neat. So we're gonna run over this real fast. All right, so we're gonna click on last week, and for Friday, I only ran 2 orders, $7.75 and $9.75. So we're gonna open this up. $9.75 plus $7.75. Okay, so we got that in there. Plus, we're gonna move over to Instacart, and we're gonna scroll down to Friday, which I only did one item pickup, and it was $11.75 plus $11.75. We're gonna move over to point pickup. I did not get any I didn't record any of this delivery, but I do know it was $12.75. So far we're up to 42 bucks. And the next one is going to be Dumpling. And I'm not going to show you any of this because, again, I'm not going to be showing off names or personal information. So with that, on Friday, I made $22.37. And so far we're up to $64. All right, in Roadie. So Roadie, we made 16 bucks plus $16. We're at $80.37. We're going to switch over to Grubhub. There's a rooster looking at me. So we're going to go to earnings. I'm going to switch over to weeks since I only did it once. I got 24-cent adjustment pay. Look at that. I'm rich. I took an order worth $12.49. $12.49. So far up to $92.86. We're going to go to the last app that I did, Uber. I'm actually happy that I got to do some Uber Eats because I generally like the app and the service. Base pay wise, compared to everybody else, they pay the best sometimes. We're going to go to last week, and I made $29.84. So we're going to put that in. Oh, I'm sorry. I made $122.70, which isn't bad until we divide by 6 hours. I only made 20 bucks an hour. And I know that sounds a little prudish, I guess. I don't know the word. I'll probably think of the word later. But that's not good enough. That's just not good enough. I should be making $25 plus on a bad day. And honestly, today is probably even worse because yesterday I had a little issue that I had to take care of and I couldn't work. So this week hasn't been starting out good. Last week I hit my weekly goal. So with that, I'm going to try to get some Doordash orders. But honestly, I think I'm just going to wash my hands of today and just move on. So if you like this video, comment, subscribe, put a like on there. Do anything that you can. Anything helps this channel and helps my visibility with that YouTube algorithm. So have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic night whenever it is for you when you're watching this. And just remember to be good to each other and make money. I mean, isn't this what it's all about? All right. Bye.